Military 353,016 pages. SIGNINREGISTER. Explore popular pages project maintenance. In references needed, articles with no corresponding article in Wikipedia, aircraft, fighter jets. Boeing F-15K Slam Eagle. This article does not contain any citations or references. Please improve this article by adding a reference. For information about how to add references, see template citation. The Boeing F-15K Slam Eagle is an improved variant of the McDonnell Douglas F-15E Strike Eagle made to the Republic of South Korea Air Force. Contents: Hide. 1. Description. 2. Specifications. 2.1. General characteristics. 2.2. Performance. 2.3. Armament. 2.4. Avionics. 3. See also. Description. The F-15K is an advanced derivative of the U.S. Air Force combat-proven F-15E Strike Eagle aircraft being developed for the Republic of Korea Air Force, ROKAF. The new aircraft will be more resistant and maintainable than the current F-15E models. The aircraft is being redesigned to carry 23,000 pounds of payload, reach Mach 2.5 and incorporate the latest military technologies. Its multi-role capabilities will enable F-15K to perform air-to-air, air-to-ground and air-to-sea missions. It retains the long-range feature from F-15E. The F-15K will include the advanced and APG-63 V1 radar, improved ALQ-135 electronic countermeasures, called ALQ-135M, a third-generation targeting and navigation flow, an IRST, infrared search and track, for air-to-air engagements, the ALR-56C V1 warning system, and the JHMCS helmet-mounted displays. In addition, the F-15K will be able to launch advanced weaponry already fielded or under development. In 2002, South Korea / the Republic of Korea ordered 40 F-15K worth $4.2 billion including a weapons package for its FX program, with deliveries beginning in 2005 and ending in August 2008. The F-15K Strike Eagle maiden flight occurred on 3 March 2005, in St. Louis. Subsequently, the first F-15K for the Republic of Korea rolled out at Boeing's facility in St. Louis, Missouri, on 16 March 2005. In April 2005, Boeing accepted the first fighter jet wing and forward fuselage made by Korea Aerospace Industries, KAI, in Sachon, South Korea. KAI will produce components for 32 of the 40 aircraft ordered by the ROKAF, with the final assembly conducted in St. Louis. The first 2 aircraft were delivered to the Republic of Korea Air Force during the Seoul Air Show in October 2005. The F-15K Slam Eagle was the first F-15E variant entitled to carry up to 12 JDAM /Mk-82 500 pounds bombs on the aircraft's conformal fuel tank stations. The armament options of the F-15K also highlights Harpoon Block 2, Slammer and AIM-9X missiles. Specifications. General characteristics. SIGNINTOEDIT. Download video, download video, download video, download video. F-15K of the Republic of Korea Air Force. Advertisement. Fandom. Beta. Fan. Central. Games. Anime. Movies. TV. Video. Wikis. Starter. Wiki. Crew, 2. Length, 63.8 feet, 19.43 m. Wingspan, 42.8 feet, 13.05 m. Height, 18.5 feet, 5.63 m. Wing area, 608 foot squared, 56.5 square meters. Airfoil, NACA 64006.6 root, NACA 64203 tip. Empty weight, 31,700 pound, 14,300 kilograms. Max takeoff weight, 81,000 pound, 36,700 kilograms. Power plant, 2 Pratt & Whitney F100-229 afterburning turbofans, 29,000 lbf, 129 kN, each. Performance. Maximum speed, Mach 2.5 plus, 1,650 plus miles per hour, 2650 plus km/h. Ferry range, 2,400 mi, 2,100 mi, 3,900 kilometers, with conformal fuel tank and 3 external fuel tanks. Service ceiling, 60,000 feet, 18,200 m. Rate of climb, 50,000 plus feet /min, 254 plus m/s. Armament. Guns, 120 mm, 0.787 in, M61 Vulcan 6-barreled Gatling cannon, 510 rounds of either M56 or PGU-28 ammunition. Hard points, 2 wing pylons, fuselage pylons, bomb racks on CFTs with a capacity of 24,250 pound, 11,000 kilograms, of external fuel and ordnance. Missiles. Air-to-air missiles. 4AIM 9M Sidewinder or 4AIM 120 AMRAAM, and 4AIM 7M Sparrow or additional 4AIM 120 AMRAAM. Air-to-surface missiles. 6 AGM-65 Maverick. AGM-130. AGM-84 Harpoon. AGM-84K Slammer. AGM-154 JSOW. AGM-158 JASM. Bombs. B-61 nuclear bomb. Mark 82 bomb. Mark 84 bomb. CBU-87 combined effects munition. CBU-89 Gator. CBU-97 sensor-fused weapon. CBU-103 GEM. CBU-104 Gator. CBU-105 SFW. CBU-107 passive attack weapon. GBU-10 Paveway 2. GBU-12 Paveway 2. GBU-15. GBU-24 Paveway 3. GBU-27 Paveway 3. GBU-28. GBU-31 JDAM. GBU-38 JDAM. GBU-39 Small Diameter Bomb. GBU-51 Paveway 2. GBU-54 Laser JDAM. Others. Up to 3,600 US gallons, 2,300 L, external drop tanks for ferry flight or extended range forward/loitering time. Avionics. Radar. Raytheon and /APG-70. Targeting pods. Lantern or Lockheed Martin Sniper XR or Lightning targeting pods. Countermeasures. Northrop Grumman Electronic Systems and /ALQ-131 Electronic Countermeasures Pod. Hazeltine and /APX-76 or Raytheon and /APX-119 Identify Friend /Foe, IFF, Interrogator. Magnavixen/ALQ128 Electronic Warfare Warning Set, EWWS, part of Tactical Electronic Warfare Systems, TEWS. Laurelin/ALR56 Radar Warning Receivers, RWR, part of TEWS. Northrop Grumman Electronic Systems ALQ135 Internal Countermeasures System, ICS, part of TEWS. F-15K Slam Eagle making aerial refueling. Advertisement. Popular pages. Marconian/AL45 Chaff/Flares Dispenser System, part of TEWS. See also. McDonnell Douglas F-15E Strike Eagle. Boeing F-15I Roram. Boeing F-15SE Silent Eagle. Categories. Community content is available under CCBISA unless otherwise noted. List of aircraft of the Malaysian Armed Forces. Explore properties. Fandom. Mutheed. Fanatical. Follow US. Overview. What is fandom? About. Careers. Press. Contact. Terms of use. Privacy policy. Digital Services Act. Global Sitemap. Local Sitemap. Community. Community Central. Support. Help. Advertise. Media Kit. Contact. Fandom apps. Take your favorite fandoms with you and never miss a beat. Military Wiki is a fandom lifestyle community. View mobile site, follow on IG, TikTok, join Fan Lab.